I used to feel completely lost. I'd wake up, go through the motions and wonder, is this really it? Nothing felt meaningful. I wasn't miserable, just empty. But then, I stumbled on a simple idea that changed everything. You don't have to rebuild your life overnight. You just need to take one step at a time. And today, I want to share the exact steps I took to build a life I actually love waking up to. It started with gratitude. Sounds cheesy, I know, but hear me out. Every night I wrote down 3 things I was grateful for. Some days it was big stuff. Other days it was just had a good cup of coffee. But over time, my brain retrained itself to notice the good instead of always scanning for problems. That one habit lifted my mood more than anything else I tried. Next up, resilience. Life didn't magically get easier, but I got tougher. I stopped seeing mistakes as failures and started seeing them as feedback. Did I mess up? Cool. What did I learn? This mindset shift made every challenge feel like part of the process instead of the end of the world. Finally, my inner voice. I used to be my own worst critic. Now, I talk to myself like I'd talk to a close friend. When that negative voice creeps in, I counter it with something kinder, something true. Like, you're trying, you're learning, that's enough. Look, you don't need to transform your life overnight. Start small, stay consistent, and before you know it, you're not just surviving, you're thriving, one step at a time.